Welcome to Deepa's Knits and Knots. Let's make a cute hexagon flower today. Before we get into today's tutorial, if you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet videos and step-by-step tutorials like this, you can also explore our crochet kits on Amazon. Our kits include all the materials required to create a cute crochet project, including yarn, crochet hook, needle, stitch markers, glue, safety eyes, a reusable storage box, and a step-by-step video tutorial card. Our 2-in-1 animal pouch kits are just 299 Indian rupees. Our cat paw pouch kits are just 249 Indian rupees. Our flower pouch kits are just 241 Indian rupees. Our evil eye kits are just 149 Indian rupees. And our 12-color 6-ply yarn kit is just 275 Indian rupees. These gorgeous 3-in-1 tulip coasters are just 249 rupees. This cute tulip scrunchie kit is just 190 Indian rupees. Shop links are given in the description. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Materials used to make this hexagon are light pink, dark pink, and light green 4-ply yarn. You can also use the color to your liking. And I've used a 3.5mm yarn to crochet this. For round 1, take the light pink yarn and make a magic circle. Chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. Now make 11 more double crochets into the ring. This gives us a total of 12 double crochets in this round. Tighten the magic circle and make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet to complete the round. For round 2, chain 2. Now we'll make a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and pull the yarn through. Repeat this step 3 more times in the same stitch. You'll now have several loops on your hook. Pull through all the loops together to complete the puff stitch. Chain 2. In the next stitch, make another puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and pull the yarn through. Repeat this step 3 more times in the same stitch. Pull through all the loops together to complete the puff stitch. Chain 2. Repeat the puff stitch and chain 2 all the way around between every double crochet. At the end of the round, you'll have 12 puff stitches with a chain 2 in between. Make slip stitches until you reach the chain 2 gap and 1 in gap as well. Now cut the light pink yarn and attach the dark pink yarn as shown. For round 3, chain 2. In the first chain 2 gap, make a puff stitch the same way you did for round 2. Chain 2, and another puff stitch in the same gap. Chain 2 again. Now, in the next chain 2 gap, make another puff stitch. Chain 2, and another puff stitch in the same gap. Chain 2. Repeat this pattern of puff stitch chain 2, puff stitch. In every chain 2 gap and chain 2 after that, all the way around. After completion, make slip stitches until you reach the chain 2 gap and 1 in gap as well. Now, cut the dark pink yarn and attach the light green yarn. For round 4, chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets in the same chain 2 gap. Chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same gap. This forms the corner stitch. Now skip the next chain 2 gap. In the following gap, make 3 double crochets. Skip 1 stitch again, and in the next stitch, make a corner stitch, which is 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Then 3 more double crochets in the same gap. Skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochets in the next. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Skip 1 stitch and make a corner stitch in the next, and skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochet in the next. Make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. Chain 1. Cut and pull off the yarn. At the back of the hexagon, hide the excess yarn in the stitches and cut the remaining yarn. And that's it. Your beautiful multicolor hexagon is ready. You can use this hexagon pattern to make tote bags, cardigans, blankets, pouches, and many more crochet projects. Don't forget to explore our kits on Amazon. Shop links are in the description. Support our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing for more crochet tutorials.